Welcome everyone. This is a quick OpenNTF video. My name is Graham Akers. I'm the chairman of OpenNTF this year, and we're just going to introduce ourselves quickly. So Roberto, take it away.
My name is Roberto Bucadoro, and I am a HCL business partner and a director of OpenNTF.
I'm Jesse Gallagher. I'm a developer. I am a HCL ambassador and the IP manager and a board member at OpenNTF.
Hi, I'm John Paganetti. I'm a senior engineer on the Domino development team. Been working with Domino and Notes and the associated Domino products for 31 years.
Awesome. And the reason for our video is that we have a special announcement, a joint initiative between HCL and OpenNTF this year. That's called Open Mic with the HCL Developers. So each month we're going to have one or more experts from HCL for an open mic session. And basically be a deep dive on technical topics. You can bring your questions and ask the team of people that are there. And, again, we'll dig into whatever it happens to be that particular topic per month. Maybe, Roberto, you can talk about why we're doing this.
Yeah, why? Because both OpenNTF and HCL wanted to have a way for community members, regardless if they're admins, developers, or users, to have a direct conversation with the HCL development team. If you're old enough and you remember, it's going to be something like the Ask the Developer sessions at Lotusphere. A direct contact between the users and the developers.
Yeah, so we've been doing some planning, some brainstorming, and got a bit of a lineup to get started and see how it goes. John, why don't you share with everybody some of the ideas that we've got?
Thanks, Graham. I'm very fortunate in my position that I can ask the developers anything I want any single minute of any single day. So I take for granted all of the information I'm able to get. So here's the chance, as Roberto said, the Ask the Developers, and even just meeting developers at the Meet the Developers lab down in Lotusphere was such a success that this open mic that Graham proposed and Roberto proposed really made a lot of sense. So we're going to have these open mics to really do deep dives into specific areas. Some of it will be higher level areas, but we really want to get into details and let you bring your questions directly to the development team. So as our first call is going to be, you're going to have Dave Kern representing the security team, but he wants to particularly talk about the different Domino authentication protocols. And he'll have also some other Domino team members behind him, a lot of the clients and the different protocols that they use to authenticate with the Domino server. So that should be a lively discussion. And other areas of interest that we thought about that we may have calls on will be like things like Nomad Web, Verse Web, the Domino REST APIs, same time, Deos, even Domino IQ, a newer subject that's going to be rolling out in Domino 14.5. And we'll also have other areas of digital solutions as well, like Volt MX and connections as well. And again, if you have any ideas, feel free to share with the OpenNTF team, and we'll take it up.
Awesome. So, Jesse, when are we going to do this?
So we're planning to do them the last Thursday of every month at 11 a.m. U.S. Eastern and 5 p.m. in Central Europe. It's kind of like the OpenNTF time. That's the same time slot we use for our webinars. And similarly, we will be doing these on GoToWebinar. So we'll have registration links, and you'll follow the same kind of process you do for those, except you'll be able to talk if you so choose. These sessions will be moderated, so anyone wishing to ask a question can raise their hand in the room. Then you'll be unmuted. You'll be given an opportunity to ask. And if you prefer, you can type your question and have a moderator answer. So if you don't have a mic or if you're in a loud room or what have you, we want everybody to be able to ask their questions. So we'll be able to handle that nicely, and it'll all be pretty good.
The other thought that I had is, with the Ask the Developers, one of the conversations that happened sort of later on in Lotuspheres was, could we submit our questions in advance? And I think we'll do that here too. So if anybody knows about the topic, maybe can't make the time slot, but would like to have their question asked, you're more than welcome to submit that in advance too, and we'll put the details in on how you're going to be able to do that. So we'll wrap it up here, but please let us know what you think of this idea. If you've got a particular subject area that John didn't mention that you think you'd like to be able to talk to some developers about, by all means, let us know. And we'll kind of evolve things as we go along here and get people's feedback. But one of the things that is important too is being able to join the Discord community because the HCL development team are active on Discord. I know specifically Dave has answered all kinds of questions. So that's the best way to engage. And as we do these sessions, we'll take up the conversation in Discord as well. So there'll be not just this one session. Of course, these will be recorded and we'll post them on YouTube as well. But beyond that, be able to engage in the Discord community if you're not there already. So we will see you on Thursday, January 30th for our first session. And hopefully things will work out. We're looking forward to it. So thanks, and we'll see you then.